So in the previous lecture, I mentioned the queries that you didn't mean ranking in, right? So what did I mean by that? Along the way, as you go forward, as you create different web pages, of course, on each of these web pages, you will have your own focus keywords, but each of your web pages may rank in different type of keywords too. For example, before we have seen our competitors analytics and how they are doing in keyword ranking. So let's take a look at it again. I want to point out to the organic keywords that, for example, digitalmarketinginstitute.com is ranking. As you can see here, the organic keywords they are ranking in, the number of them is almost 14,000. It doesn't mean that they have 14,000 web pages and all of these organic keywords are their focus keywords. It means that, for example, let's say they have 100 web pages, but in these 100, they have different keywords for different, each of the keywords in their copies, they are ranking in Google, right? So what we can understand from this, how we can use this in our benefit. Come to Google Search Console, and here at the top of the page, as you can see, it is written performance. So click on it, and if we come down a bit, you see here it is written queries. And queries are the keywords that people search in Google to find our website or our web pages. So for me, it is you can see it is written Puyati, Madirad, some of my courses, and etc. Right? Now, what we can do with these information, how we can use it in our own interest. You may rank for some keywords that you didn't mean to, but you come here and you see you're doing pretty much a good job in some keywords, right? If you see something like that, you can invest on it. You can create a new web page especially for that keyword to rank better in it. You can use these kind of opportunities to improve your website, to bring it higher in the search results, right? To bring more traffic to your website. Or if you see, for example, 2 of your pages, 3 of your pages are ranking for the same keyword, you can work on them, maybe merge some of these web pages into each other, and just bring the traffic all into one place. These are the things that you can do. These are the ways that you can improve your web pages and your website using the information you're receiving from queries, right? So that was all about the queries. Also, there are some other interesting stuff here. For example, you can click on pages and see how much clicks and how the traffic came to your website, to which landing page they came. Also, you will see some information about the countries, devices. Of course, if you are using Google Analytics, you will have access to all of this information. And also, in addition, I will tell you that if you're using Google Analytics, there's a part, I think it is in the, if I'm not mistaken, it is in the accusation. Let me check it out, right? Just a second. Let me bring this web page here. Right, under accusation, here it is written Search Console, okay? You can connect your Google Analytics to the Search Console, which we have here. And this way, you will get also the information from the Search Console. You will see them on your Google Analytics too, right? So, more or less, that was all about the queries. On the next part, we are going to talk about something interesting, which is the page speed. Let's go for the next lecture.